race cars and weed jars, nigga. Raised leathering on my hooves, just drank strip slicks, ray of the Barracuda. Them niggas ain't shit, just motherfucking poo-poo. This ass zero, motherfucking Fruit Loop. Homie, who your hero? Who taught you your moves? Being in my limo, woke up in my hotel room. Poses, following they noses to the door. It's no joke, mama just rolled it. You can hit it after my little brother say straight. You gon' get no turn on the doobie, bitch, just wait. Don't forget the luck coming from me, this is just fake. Because I have faith, certain I can make it shake like turbulence. Sweet sugar babies all sleeping in my nursery. Walk in, suckers go to shuffling nervously. Won't stop until I reside at the top permanently. 21 joints burning for me. Yeah. Cause if you ain't got no rims, nigga don't get no wood grain steering wheel. But you can lay back, let your paper stack instead of going in overkill. Pay your fucking beaver bill. Mission impossible completed. Obstacles are optical illusions. We don't really see them. They put rules in place cause y'all need them. Some people are like sheep. I got no mercy for the weak. Especially my niggas next to me and they ready to eat. I put them in position to get them. I'm getting me. Louisiana traveling twins band. Looking for my music. It's bringing listeners under the ground like quicksand. Kawasaki Ninja on the kickstand. At any minute I'm outie. Like 4 rings. Truth and engineering. You got me. Bitches long to me about me, hypnotic karate, talk that dress right off of her body. She's so wet, she's soggy. From these verbal massages I hide up. Astrologist smoking with your goddesses. I swore that I would do all of this. Yeah.